Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix battery draining issue in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, to solve this issue, restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, press your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right to restart your iPhone. And after restarting your iPhone, it will fix your problem. But if it's still not fix your problem, then update your iOS to latest version. So to update your iOS to latest version, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general. Now here click on software updates, and from here check for software updates and update your iOS to latest version. So after updating the iOS to latest version, it will fix your problem. But if it's still not fixing your problem, then open settings and then click on sounds and haptics. Now here scroll down and click on keyboard feedback, and from here turn off sound and haptic. After turning on off sound and haptic, it will fix your problem. And what else you can do is swipe down to open control center and open and turn on battery saving mode or power saving mode. So I hope it will fix your problem. But if it still doesn't work, then open settings and click on general. Now here in general, scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings and then enter your lock screen passcode. Now here again click on reset all settings to confirm. It will reset your all settings without deleting any media or data from your iPhone. So after resetting your all settings, it will fix your problem. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.